Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. In the realm of interior design, small bathrooms have emerged as compelling canvases for contemporary decor. Providing this size is no obstacle to creating a big impact. The latest trends in bathroom design focus on maximizing space efficiency while embracing modern aesthetics. Sleek, minimalist fixtures and geometric patterns contribute to a sense of openness, amplifying the illusion of space. Floating amenities and wall-mounted storage solutions not only optimize floor space but also lend a clean, uncultured look. Neutral color palettes such as soothing white and muted tones create an airy atmosphere, while puffs of bold color or metallic accents inject vibrancy. Frameless glass shower enclosures enhance the visual flow and maintain an obstructed field. Smart technology integration from sensor functions to intelligent lighting adds a touch of luxury and functionality. Vertical gardens and statement tiles infuse personality into compact spaces, offering a contemporary twist. Compact fixtures with multifunctional features embody the ideas of form meeting function. Ultimately, small bathrooms are proving to be an area for innovative designs where careful curation and attention to detail and transform limited square footage into a captivating and harmonious retreat. Thanks for watching. Bus subscribe and like Interior Design channel.